Welcome to this presentation on surpassing the limited coordination affinity of native amides by introducing pyridone PDAGOAC clusters to promote distal gamma C sp3H relation. This research was conducted by Nupur Goswami et al. And published in 22nd February 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking advancement in how we build molecules, the tiny structures that make up everything around us, from medicines to plastics. Did you know that over 80% of all pharmaceuticals contain carbon-hydrogen bonds? And precisely modifying these bonds is one of chemistry's biggest challenges. For a long time, chemists have struggled to make very specific changes to these CH bonds, especially when they're far away from other reactive parts of a molecule. It's like trying to fix a tiny hidden wire deep inside a complex machine without being able to reach it directly or accidentally damaging other parts. Our research tackles this fundamental problem, offering a new, more precise way to construct these essential molecular building blocks. So, how did we overcome this challenge? Imagine trying to pick a specific leaf from a dense tree branch, but your tools only let you grab leaves at the very end of the branch. Our new method is like having a special, flexible gripper that can reach any leaf, even those deep inside the branch, without damaging the others. Our gripper is a unique chemical system, a powerful team composed of palladium, silver, and a special type of molecule called a pyridone ligand. This team works together to activate a specific, usually unreactive, CH bond in molecules called amides. Amides are common, but their weak grip on metals makes them difficult to modify. Our system cleverly compensates for this, allowing us to target distant CH bonds without needing bulky, temporary directing groups that often complicate the process. The big win from our research is that we can now precisely modify previously inaccessible parts of molecules with high efficiency. We achieved remarkable success with up to 91% yields of our desired product. What's even more significant is that our method consistently produced only the intended monoarylated product. This means we avoided unwanted side reactions, like modifying the molecule twice or at the wrong spot, which is a common headache in chemistry. This precision is crucial for making pure, effective compounds. We also showed that this method works on a wide variety of different molecules, demonstrating its broad applicability and making it a truly versatile tool for chemists. So, how does this fit into the world today? Our research solves a long-standing problem in organic chemistry, the selective functionalization of inert CH bonds. This isn't just a lab curiosity, it's a fundamental shift in how we approach molecular synthesis. By enabling chemists to modify molecules with unprecedented precision and without cumbersome directing groups, we are opening doors to more efficient and sustainable chemical production. Imagine less waste, fewer steps, and lower energy consumption in creating complex chemicals. This new capability will accelerate the discovery and development of new drugs, allow for the creation of advanced materials with tailored properties, and even lead to more effective and environmentally friendly agrochemicals. In conclusion, this research promises a future with cleaner medicines, smarter materials, and healthier lives. How will this change your daily life in the next 5 years? You might see new, more effective medications developed faster and with fewer side effects, as pharmaceutical companies can design and synthesize drug candidates with greater precision. We could also see the emergence of novel materials, perhaps tougher plastics, more efficient solar cells, or even self-healing coatings, all thanks to the ability to fine-tune their molecular structure. For agriculture, this could mean more targeted and environmentally friendly pesticides or fertilizers, leading to healthier crops and less environmental impact. Ultimately, by making chemical synthesis more efficient and precise, this research contributes to a more sustainable and innovative future for everyone.